These sessions. Hope everyone's doing good. This is fresh starting, and yeah, hope everyone is doing good, huh, guys? So far, so cool, guys. Everyone, hi, guys. Hello, hello. As usual, let's try to figure it out. A Bitcoin and Ethereum and gold. What's happening around, right, guys? Okay. So far, so cool, guys. Welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Let's wait for a few minutes, and we shall go in. All right, already. Okay, guys. So just again, hope everyone's doing good. Welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome, everyone. Welcome. Hi, hello, hello. Hope everyone's doing good. Okay. Hi, guys. Hello, hello. Mm-hmm. Okay, as usual, we'll try to do on Bitcoin some analysis, right? What's happening with the Bitcoin, right, guys? Okay. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Okay, so let's go. All right, so Bitcoin, we have seen it. Let's go back to the bigger time frame and check it out. All right, so yesterday we were on a long position. I told you why we are in a long position as well. All right, guys, so we need to pay the sellers, and if there is no seller, no buyers, right, so that will be a complication, right? So that is the thing, guys. This is on 4 hours time frame, guys. All right, so this is exactly what happened yesterday, right? It pumped all the way towards this zone. All right, so what you think, guys, from here? A drop, a big drop. Hi, Robel. Too early, huh? Today? Okay, I came a little bit early today. All right, as usual. All right. So in this right now, the Bitcoin is still at the support level. All right. If we happen to break below this support, then the Bitcoin might face a big drop on a downside. Okay, this is what we are thinking right now. Okay, hope you are also analyzing it. All right, so last time Bitcoin breakdown from the trend, and it played all the way for the retest and got a huge rejection from here, and most probably from here we are expecting a big drop towards the downside. Okay, now FVG that we have is already filled. Okay, so yeah, was waiting. All right. Okay, so FVG we have on a 1 hour time frame that is almost filled, right, guys? Okay, so I told you our target was this one. All right, when while we are going for the longs, right? So that was, I told you all, there is a one FVG. Okay, so we yesterday we were trying. So Sunday, right, there was not good volume, the candle formation was too small, and we were trying to go all the way towards the upper side. Okay, so firstly I I also took a long position from here, okay, till this level and got out. The best thing what happened, it was like I kept one limit order over here and slapped. Okay, while on the morning when I wake up, the price was over here, and that was a huge profit for me. Okay, so I told you all yesterday that I have given in a group as well. Okay, so this is the one reversal point, 81,544. That is one our TP1. TP2 was this one, right? So this is the second reversal point. So exactly from there we got a huge reversal, and we came back to all the way towards the downside. Okay, guys, so in this level, what you think, guys? So this is Tuesday, right? Monday, right? Monday. So Monday, most probably thinking when the New York session opens, maybe a small dump, all right, or a pump can be expected. All right, so let's go back to the small time frame and check it out what's happening around, right? So at this level right now, aggressively the Bitcoin is pushing on upper side, whereby right now, recently, okay, recently, whereby it should be coming down, but it have been keeping pushing on upper side for now. All right, meanwhile, all right. My dump, okay, and then okay, yeah, so most probably that should be a big dump. All right, so I'm also thinking that way. Okay, I have a one plans for the positions ongoing, right, guys? Okay, so let's see, guys. Anyways, so we have market have tested after a small breakdown from here. It tested this one. All right, and let's go back to the smaller time frame. All right, okay, tested. All right. So there is a formation of W pattern in this level. All right, we need to take the liquidation from there. All right, guys. So if it dumps, till where will it dump? All right, you should know that one as well. All right, so most probably 80,000 to 200, 80,258 can be expected. All right, let's see, guys. Okay, no hurry. Okay, it's dumping now. Just a second. Oh, this is 1 minute time frame. Okay, guys, 1 minute time frame. So right now it is dumping right now, a little bit dump, dump, dump. Okay, so before it dumps, it should be giving us a back one more time on upper side. So what it have done? Okay, so it broke the recent support as well. It came down all the way, all right, towards the downside. Okay, from this level. Let's wait. It's a big dump coming in, guys. Maybe rolling in, guys. Big dump is rolling in. All right, just be careful, guys. All right, so what the New York session will do, so maybe, so just need to wait a bit. Okay, don't hurry, guys, don't hurry. Don't get panic, don't get FOMO. All right, dumping, well and good. Let's expect this one. All right, guys, maybe $79,963.61 can be expected for today. All right. Let's go back, get a rejection from the top and clears down below this level. As soon as it clears out, we are going to short it. I'm going to short it from here. All right, and come all the way towards this zone. Okay, this will be one setup for me on 5 minutes time frame. Okay. That's going to be one setup, guys. Hi guys, welcome guys. Rubel hoping for 7 up to 13th of May. All right, hello property vapor. Hi mot mass. All right, hi guys. BTC target 82,650, 82,000. Planning for the longs. Okay, vapor. Hi Pawan Pal. All right, so before it moves up, maybe it will try to give a big small dump on a downside. Okay, guys, so that can be expected, and this is the level after when it gets pumped maximum it can hit. Okay, if it is going above that one, then it will again go for the bullish. It shouldn't go for the bearish. It shouldn't go above this levels, $81,583, to create a bearish move. All right. So most probably I'll be expecting price to fall from here and maybe drop, go again and drop, give a big drop. That can be one possibility, right? So let's see. For now we are concentrating only on the one shots on the downside. Okay. Just careful lah, guys. Okay, just be careful. Whatever you do, just be careful. All right, guys. If it happens to give a upper movement, then I will try to go for one scalping on a downside. Okay. Okay, guys, what do you think, guys? Pump, dump. The Clarity Act will dump BTC. The Clarity Act. Okay, let's see, guys. Okay. So this is the immediate small trend that is formed on upper side right now. Okay, guys. So this is the immediate trend that is formed on upper side right now. Okay. So for me, it needs to go up, retest it, and come back. All right. So coming back, drop down a bit, go up, and this is one level whereby Bitcoin needs to test once more. All right. There is one level whereby Bitcoin needs to test once more, maybe directly up and get a rejection from here, or come down first and go up and get get towards the downside, that can be moved. All right, so most probably most probably for me, it have broken down this levels, guys. You have seen that one. All right, going up, trying to get rejection once more will be a beautiful shot for me. All right. La 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 la. Just wait, have patience, guys. You'll get plenty of opportunities. All right, guys. Nothing financial advice, okay, guys. It is only for the education purpose. All right. One level is there, okay, whereby Bitcoin needs to go up, but most probably I'm thinking forward for the shorts right now and going up to check this level once more later on. Right, that can be expected. Okay, let's see anyways what will happen, right, guys. BTC dump. All right. Okay, so many views, guys. Just have patience right now. Okay, it have broken down on the downside, but retests need to be done. All right, we need to want to retest. Okay, so after doing the retest, if it happens to fall back, then it will be easier for us to go for the downside moves. All right, so maybe that can be a target towards the, if it never get back below this one, that won't be a short, right? The shots will get invalid. Okay. Let's wait, guys, let's wait. Okay, have patience, have patience, have patience. Let's go back to the 1 minute time frame and check it out. All right, one WTU pattern formed. All right. Need to go back. Just have patience, guys. Though it have given a downside move. All right, it have given a downside move already. Have patience, guys, patience. DYMUSDT. Manish, hi Manish. Welcome, brother. Welcome to the crypto analysis channel by Dragon. All right, we're trying to observe it. Okay, if it happens to fail this one, dump it, and I'm going to open one short position from here. All right, that is going to be one short position from here. All right, come all the way towards downside. Okay, so this is the maximum level the Bitcoin can go up for now. Okay, if it happens to plan on a upper side. Hey guys, welcome guys, welcome everyone. Hi, this is Monday session, Monday guys, Monday. Okay, so I was planning one shots from this level. It was forming a W pattern, and I need to close over here only. All right, on downside. Just again. Observe it well, guys. La 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 la. Over here also there is one setup, okay, but that's going to be a little bit risky, guys, unless you have very small stop loss. All right, if it happens to go up. All right. This is testing this one. Just patience, guys, have patience. I'm not planning anything over here. I didn't operate any setups right now. Okay, It broke down from downside. All right. Towards the downside. Let's see. If it directly comes down, I'm going to operate one shots from here. All right. La 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 la. Oi. Mhm. 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 Just second, guys. Just second. Let it react on this level. All right. It broke out on downside. It is doing the retest. Okay, from this trend. All right. Do we have another trend in this level? Do you expect another trend in this level or not, guys? Okay. Just a second, guys. Hold it, hold it. La 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 la. Need to wait. If it forms W pattern, that's so bad. Just second, guys. Just second. Just second. Don't react early. Don't react early. La 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 la. 1 hour until New York, guys. Why asking downside against trend? Who? Me? La 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 la. Zara zara kiss me, kiss me, kiss me. Zara 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 hold me, hold me, hold me. Oh, just second, guys. Don't react right now. All right. Oh, oh. La 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 la. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. La 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 la. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Wait, guys, wait. Have patience. Have patience. All right. In case if it breaks out, it is already breaking downside. Okay. In case if the retest pass, okay, then that is good one for us to go for the downside. Okay. In case if it breaks out towards the downside. All right. It have broken down towards the downside. Okay, coming back for the retest on upper side. That's all. One risky trade can be opened from here as well. All right, but I shall wait for the confident one from the little bit downside. All right, what you think? Some people thinks okay upper side, some people thinks downside. All right, where it will go, guys? I'm from Bhutan, brother. Hey Zivar, hi. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, alright guys, so that you guys don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions, right guys? Okay, patience guys, patience. Patience is everything that will pay you out, alright. One small retest left in this level which is not being fulfilled. Or yes, this is the one. Alright. If it breaks down, it's already broken down. What I'm checking is right now, market have broken down from this level, guys. Okay, broke down from this level. One side is an upper side. Okay, one side I'm checking on the downside. Broke down. All right, let me delete this one for now. All right. Market have broken down from this level, guys. Let me delete this one. Right, yep. Okay, market have broken down from this level. This is the retest that's going on. Okay, so maybe some fake outs will be running over there. All right, in case if the market happens to breakout, confirm the breakout from this level upper side, that will be bullish. Okay guys, remember that one. All right, so breaking out is only not the thing. All right, it needs to confirm the breakout towards the upper side. All right, like this. Okay, that will be bullish. All right, in case. Okay, but if it happens to get rejection, once one retest is left yet. Okay, if in case if it happens to get a rejection from here, that will be proof of fake breakout in this level and dump down. All right, this is what I'm expecting right now. Okay guys, this is what I'm expecting. Okay, so meanwhile my stop loss should be in the bullish zone, whereby this is the level, I guess, most probably around the support. Okay, in case if the Bitcoin happens to break above this level past the retest, then it will become bullish. Okay guys, so for the fake out, if it wants to fake out this breakout on upper side, okay, there was a one breakout on upper side, right guys? So this is the level. Okay, broke out, retest. Okay, again it is trying to move up. All right. In case if it happens to remain up, all right, if this breakout is something like this, or if it happens to go up, retest it. All right, where is it? Come on, my paths. Okay, if it retests it and confirms an upper side, that is a breakout on upper side. Okay, then you'll get a move towards this zone or this zone, 81,500. Okay, in case if this breakout doesn't confirms, all right, doesn't confirms, then you might like to see the price coming towards the downside. Okay guys, so this is what I'm expecting right now. So my TP1, TP2, TP3, okay, my final target will be this one, $80,190. All right guys, okay, so this is what I'm targeting. In case if it happens to give a breakout on upper side and confirms it, then it will move on upper side. Okay, so wait for it, wait for it. All right guys, you just wait for that move. If you want to trace that top move, okay. All right guys, so this is what I'm looking into right now. All right. La, 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 la. Let it break out below this one. All right, let it break out below this one firstly, small h. Okay, right now I'm tracing my shots. All right. Oh, sararara, wintarima. Man kamana mandira mafuta hukipati. Bala abapai male. Have patience, guys. Patience. Patience, patience, patience. Just patience. Patience required. Let it break out. If it gets faked out, then we are over here just to sell it. All right. Come down all the way towards the 1.2% on the downside. All right. What do you think, guys? Up or down? See, I already told you the target. What do you mean, Moto? Hostly. Waiting for short. If it comes up little more, 80,500. Super. Crazy move. Crazy. That will be crazy. Come on. Crazy. Okay. Let it break down first. Okay. Break down from here. Wait, guys, wait, patience, patience. You can't do over here anything. Broke out on upper side. If this breakouts confirms it, the price will go up. Okay. If it doesn't get confirmed from here, you'll get a big drop from here. Okay. Incoming drops. All right. Let's go back and check on 5 minutes time frame as well. What's happening? All right, guys. Hello, how are you? Neem Khan. I'm good. I'm good. How are you? Neem, you good? Neem, you good? Neem, I'm good. I'm doing good. So far, so cool. Wait, okay, guys. Patience. We want to see if it breaks out or not. If it really gives breaks out or not. Maybe this one, this one. All right, we'll trace shots a little bit. Okay. Till this level we will trace the shots. Above this level we cannot trace the shots because it will go to this level and might be all the way towards upper side as well. We never knows, right? So we can trace only shots till this level. All right, because that is the point whereby we have previously got broken out. Just wait. Patience. Patience, patience, patience. La 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 la. Wait, wait, guys, wait. Patience, patience. चोरी चोरी चुपके चुपके चोरी चोरी la 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 la. Don't make W patterns. Go back up to remove these shots. One hour time there is FPG and OB. Yeah, we have FPG on the upper side. 1 hour time frames. You are correct. You are correct, brother. We have FPG on the upper side. This will be our last trial for the shots. All right. La 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 la. Is it so? We need to wait a bit. La 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 la. Let it break down first. Let it break down. Salah pani Dikhai domana, dikhai domana, bersama. Wait up, patience, guys. Patience, patience, patience. Patience required. Patience required. All right. Patience required. That will be breaking out on upper side. If that breakout gets confirmed, okay, the price will move up. If it's getting a faked out, all right, you'll get a big dump. All right. So confident trade will be coming below this one. All right, guys. Confident trade will be coming down below this level will be a confident trade for you all for the shots. All right. But the risky trade can be traced if you also wants to get this 0.22 percentage from the top, right? This is one thing, guys. Okay. It will play around a bit. Wait, guys, have patience. All right, so let me know. Buy 90, sells 89. Buy 89, sale 90, sale. All right. Indian, I'm Indian. All right, good. Yash, bye. Hi, Manoj. Hi, hello, guys. Welcome, guys. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. All right, guys, so that you guys don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions. Right, guys. Neem Khan, Supa, respecting the trend. Hi, hello. Waiting for the shot. It comes. All right, great, guys. Zavar, hi, hello, guys, everyone. Hi from Bhutan. All right. Hi from Bhutan, the dragon. Okay, guys. Do you play so wrong? This who is this kid? Okay, maybe that is also possible. We are not correct. Okay, we are not correct. See what will happen. Bersama Hulan. Nothing financial advice, huh, guys? Nothing financial advice. Make your own research, okay? If you want to buy, and if I'm saying a sale, then you don't. Your decision shouldn't be destructed, right? Okay, make your own research. I'm not here to give you all the signals. I'm just making your analysis, all right, so you understand it. If you are beginners, all right, just wait. Okay, Jude, I have opened 200K long. You open short, this not work like this. कभी कभी short भी किया करो भाई. Sometimes open short also, okay? Don't only go for the longs, okay? Yesterday shorts are bashed off, all right? We were on long, all right? There is enough money to pay to the sellers now, all right? Be careful, guys. Anyways, anything can happen in the market. Just be careful lah. All right. Don't stick with one side only. All right. La 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 la. Open shot in the New York sessions. All right. Wait, guys, wait. We need to confirm it. All right. Don't judge anything, okay, guys? Make your own financial advice. It's not for financial advice, okay? Later on, you lose your 210K. Don't blame me. Make your own research, all right? I'm not here to give you all the financial setups, all those things, all right? I'm doing what is possibility happening over here. All right. La, 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 la. No, like my name, you're gonna lose. In which trade we gonna lose? We haven't opened any trade. Come on, guys. I'm not here to fight with y'all. Come on. We haven't have any trades right now. Okay. After confirmation, we do it. Okay. I don't have energy. La 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 Purnima Kujum. Have patience, guys. Okay. Don't get distracted. Get distracted. Have patience. Have patience. Let go. Hi, hi, and top, hi, and top. Welcome, 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 brother. Welcome, welcome, welcome to the crypto analysis channel by Dragon. All right, nothing financial advice. Make your own research before you move in. All right. One level over there, one level over the other side. Have patience, guys. Have patience, patience, patience. Over here, what we have seen is a small breakdown on a 1 minute time frame. Okay, downside. All right. We have broken down, retesting it. All right, retesting it, and there was a breakout on upper side. Upper side is also a breakout. One breakout is there. All right, they are retesting this one. All right, let's see which side it will close. All right. Patience, patience, guys. Patience, patience, patience. Don't lose your money. Those are is the ski, bro. Hello. With patience, guys, patience. All right, patience, have patience. Don't fall into noise. All right, okay, let's see. Maybe you'll get chance in 2 minutes now. Little bit going down. It's okay, guys. Okay, it's not about winning or losing. Just follow on your setups. Okay, nothing much to do. The competitions, right? Okay. Just have make money yourself lah. Okay, so right now what we have doing is like right now the bitcoin have given us short setup right now. Okay guys, in this level in a small time frame, what we are doing is trying to take out the shots we have in this levels, okay, before we go down. All right, it will try to take out the shots. Okay, so this is the one. If it gets through, you will get on upper side. Okay, if it gets over here breakout and not able to pass through, then it will dump. All right, if it gets reject, if the retest gets passed through, then you might think about the long one. Then only you think about long one, guys. Okay, over here you don't think about the long one, guys. After getting through, right, after getting through, then if the retest pass, then only you might like to think about the long ones. Okay, so in case right now it have given a breakout towards the downside, if in case if it happens to get a fake breakouts on this levels and just come below this level, then that will be a good short position for you all. Boom, down on the downside. Take the liquidations from the this level. All right. So what I told you guys, this is a one confident trade for you all. Coming back below this level will be a confident trade. Okay, especially above below these levels. All right. If it happens to come, that will be a confident shot because that is a already breakdown towards downside. One again, breakdown done, retest done. Okay, if it passed the retest, then you might like to get a big down on a downside. Okay, but in case if it passed through and if it's able to do the retest and again the retest gets passed through, then only you'll think about the longs one. All right guys, so over here even if it breaks out, you are still, you need to do something over here. Okay, there, this is the recent resistance that you have. You need to break out first, get the retest, then only you can pass, go for the long one. Okay, so deciding long one and short one is not the thing, guys. All right, follow the structures. What I'm saying is one risky trade can be operated once if it happens to, if we are tracing this one as well from the top, if it happens to get a good fake outs from the top one, then you might like to come down. All right. Okay, it's breaking out now. Okay, not a good position to yet to go for the longs. Okay, if it gets faked out, then you are gone, guys, you are gone. Okay, so if you are going planning for the longs one, after the retest only you should plan it. All right, if you are planning on the breakout itself, you might get bashed off also sometimes. If you are lucky, you might get it, but if you are not lucky, you'll get bashed off. Okay. My system just confirming. I don't know what which system is looking at. Boom it up. All right. It will go. It will go. Don't worry. Don't worry. It will go. If you're thinking for the scalping or long trading, it will depend. Okay, guys. Just don't focus on one thing. Hey guys, hobbies. All right, guys. All right, hobbies. Welcome, welcome, brother. Welcome. Don't plan your longs too early. And nothing financial advice, but if you have your setups, well and good. All right. After getting a retest, breaking out, retesting it. All right. If the retest gets passed, well and good. Why I'm getting so much calls today? Hello. Hi, hi. I'm not saying you longs are incorrect, guys. Okay, I'm not saying you guys are incorrect. All right. If the structure forms, we will try to go for the shots. That's all. All right. Okay. Hey, Draven, how are you? Draven Fortress. Draven Fortress from UK. How are you doing? So far, so good. Have you planned any trade? Wait, guys, patience, 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 patience. People need to learn a lot. Patience. Patience, patience, yet patience. Patience, patience. Have patience, guys. All right. I think 83,000 to 85,000. Son of Bhagat. All right. Hobbies, no sound. Open your voice. I'm opening not yet short. Yes, not yet, not yet, not yet. After the liquidations only. All right. We need to take out the shots from here. Okay. Not yet. If it confirms, then only you can plan. You have for FPG over here as well. You know, we know. All right. Not yet. 4,000, 81,472. Mhm. Mhm. Patience, patience. Yes, maybe that one is also possible. New York, as soon as New York sessions opens, maybe a small pump can be expected, then dump. All right, that can be expected. Nothing is impossible, guys. Wait, wait, guys. Don't hurry. Wait. Patience. Last liquidation move is left. Don't hurry yet. Check out, check out, check out. This can be risky one because over here, what I have identified is this is a resistance for us. Okay, this is a resistance for us. All right, don't operate yet, guys. Wait for the confirmations. Now, again, it have broken down from this level. All right, this level have already broken down. Again, it will retest once more. Okay, retest once more. That time it can go up to this small level or more than that one as well. All right, and drop down. All right, don't don't hurry, guys. Don't hurry. Okay, have patience. Indicator how many minutes this chart is has disappeared. The indicator of hi Gaurav. I then agreed. All right, wait up, patience, patience. It needs to take out the liquidations of this W pattern, double M pattern formed. That time your SL will be gone. All right. Setup is given for the shots. All right. setup is given for the shots. All right, this will become too early. All right, now wait for the confirmation from the top. Patience, guys, patience. Have patience. All right. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Patience, guy. Patience, patience. Wait, wait. Setup is given only for the shorts right now. Longs have longs position will come only after getting above this level, and that is also retesting it. Okay, that will be shorts only right now. Okay, below this average, this my block. All right, it will be shorts only. Okay, just wait for the confirmations. Okay, what I mean is wait for the confirmations. All right. So above this block, if the price happens to go up, all right, retest this level, pass the retest, then only you can go for the longs from these levels, right? If you are high checking testing this hype, that's fine. All right, that's fine. But anytime you will get squeezed on the downside, okay, that's not correct way of going for the longs, right, guys? Okay, for me, okay, for you all, I don't know. Okay, passing this level, coming down, retesting it, passing the retest, then only the longs will get activated. Okay, if you are high, if you have been trading in this hype, all right, sometimes you'll get good one, but sometimes you might get bashed off. All right, just wait. Okay, just wait, have patience. All right, after confirming the longs, after right now it have not broken through as well. All right, let it break through this one. Okay, get the retest and pass the retest, then only longs will come in. All right, then you might like to see for a long term. All right. Hey, how are you? Lee, how are you? Lee, are you good? The resistance level you are saying is 81,000 is supply now. Market just recovering from the oversold. Maybe you are also, you're just, maybe you're right as well. All right. But what I do is that one, okay? Once we Once we break the resistance, any resistance, get the retest passed, then only I plan for my longs or shorts. All right. Either for the longs or for the shorts. That's all. All right. But when I get the hype like this, I don't buy in this in that level. All right. Especially. I'm fine. I'm good. I'm fine. I'm fine. Lee, I'm fine. Hey, hey, that was $1,500 today. Bang. Uh, drop, big drop from the top. This level. Just wait, patience, guys, patience, patience. Nothing much to worry over here. Hey, hey, holding long, brother. All right. What is the plan, short or long, bro? Right now, I'm looking for the shots. All right. After it gets through the liquidations. All right. So let's see what it does in this level. All right. If it happens to pump up and get down and retest pass, then I will go for the longs, right? But if it doesn't goes, firstly breakout, okay? Breakout on upper side, then most probably from when it comes down to this level, I'm planning to go for one shot towards the downside, okay? So above one, the liquidation removal, I'm removing that one. I'm excluding that one for now, okay? Once it gets the hype on upper side, okay? So buyers get in. When the buyers get in, planning for shots. If it happens to fall below these levels, right, guys? So this is what I'm planning for now, okay? I don't have any long put. plans right now. Okay, most probably from this level or this level. When it gets back, I'm planning to short in this level. All right, so in this level I won't be doing anything. All right. Yes, hype, go, pump, 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 pump. Bariyama Bisai Pari. Nice pump, nice. Yeah, you're right, Moto. You're right. You're correct. Let's wait. Patience. Nothing over there. I'm not going for longs right now. Okay. If it gets retest past, then I will go. Oh, Okay, your market maker. Wow, good, 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 brother. Good. Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up, brother. Nothing financial advice now, guys. Just for education purpose only. Don't take it as financial advice. All right, people. Take it as financial advice. Later on, they get bashed off, and don't take it as financial advice. Okay. La 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 la. Why don't you try in BTC option? Mm, I'm using Binance for now. Hey, Alden, how are you? Alden, how are you? How are you doing, Alden? Okay. Option trading available in Binance. Yeah, I'm good, Alden. 20K. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Just waiting for one position. All right. Nice. 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 Yeah, maybe. Trying to this one. This one. Okay. You have a tea for me? Tea. Let's. Where? Huh? Chile? I'm not going. Basho nalo. Hmm. Basho me. Ah. Rest penny. Naya. Kuch पे big loss में big profits लगे. Big loss लग जा. Big loss लग जा. Ah ah ah. Oh, 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 oh. One more move left on the upper side, liquidation move. Okay. La 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 la. Break it down. If it breaks down, the shots are coming soon after this liquidation move. All right. Okay, shots are coming sooner, guys. Take care. All right. Target liquidity of shorter than fall, maybe. Yeah, your setup A plus. Thank you, Lee. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Those who understands, this is diamond. Those who don't understand, is a shit. All right. Lee, thank you so much. Thank you so much. All right. Patience, guys, patience, patience. Patience, 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 patience required. This one, this one, 1503. Patience, patience. Liquidity, liquidity. Showing a W pattern is 5 minutes chart, maybe a trap. Yes, that's a big trap. Lee, you're very, my thinkings are going same, man. That can be a big trap. People start buying. I don't know why. They're taking the hype, liquidity hype right now. Daza, Daza, Tintin, Tintin, Tintin. Tintin. Let me bring a tea. Getting scammed. The sour and the sour and sour and sour. Sour. Take care, guys. Take care. Take care. Take care. Don't get into hype. Wait. Need to wait. Should be pushing up. Take one more step on upper side. It didn't do that one. Hey. Guys, don't get bored. Have patience, right, guys? Don't fall into hypes, okay, guys? All right. Have patience. Don't fall into hypes. If it comes directly, it needs to check this one. If it comes directly, okay, without going up, it didn't check it right. It needs to go back over here and come. All right. If it breaks down. Yes. Bring me chips. Bring me chips. No. Break down, go up, retest, come back. News? I don't have any information about news right now. No news right now. I don't have any news. It will break down, go up, retest, and come back. All right. Actually, if it was doing retest from this level only, I would have sold over here only. All right. Nice. Break it down. Come on. retest for the longs. All right, retest for the longs. Okay, this is the retest. Broke out, retest. People were saying that from here only it is bullish for them. I never buy in these levels, so this will be just very small. Okay, if it the retest gets passed, all right, then they can plan for a very big longs on the upper side. Okay, there will be retest. Okay, again passing up again and again. All right, three times at least. If it passed, then you will get a good move on upper side. Okay, so people started buying from here only. You'll get squeezed, all right, in those levels. Don't get into, don't fall into trap, guys. All right, don't fall into trap. Dragon, can you please check ZBC ZBCN? Why the what the what? It's about to fall. So what? One last move. Make sure it's not breaking above, not going above these levels. This might be expected. So what? But if it pass above this level, it will go into bullish. This is the last peak point for the bearish. Okay. Above this level, it will be bullish. Below this one, it will be bearish. Okay. On 5 minutes time frame. All right. If it gives a fall, that can be very low. Maybe this one. Oh, okay. If it passes above, then you might like to get a good spike on upper side. But as long as below this one, it will be, this is the last option for the bearish to come down. All right. Above this level, it will be bullish. Okay. That is the thing for this coin. One more move left on the upper side. Okay, guys. Just a second, let me. All right, welcome, Zavor. Welcome, welcome. I- if you guys have, if you guys are not listening, if you listen to the hype, they will come and run away again. All right, don't listen to the hypes. Okay, guys. Now maximum level it can go is this level. If you have planned your this setups, all right, this short setup, okay. So if you have already entered, your stop loss should be above this average point. All right, average above average point. If you have not planned yet, you wait for the move to go up, go over there, get the rejection and come back. All right. If you have planned already your shots, you should be above this average point. You got it, what I mean. All right. Because like this is the point whereby your bearish side will get into the bullish side. Okay. So from this level, this is the level it shouldn't pass, right, guys? Okay. So faked out move, and you should be able to identify fake out move. If it happens to go back, this is the average point, it will go back, or otherwise it is good to go for the shots only. All right, guys, this is all shots plan I have made for you all. So this is the level maximum. If it happens to pass above this average point, then that will be bullish again. All right, guys, that will be bullish. Okay. So if you have planned your long position from here, then you will have a big fear already. All right, guys. So just be careful lah. All right, just be careful. So TP will be this one, guys. I've already given you the TPs if you have listening me from the more the starting sessions. All right, your maximum level of TPs can be, for now you can book your profits in the zone 0.75 percentage. All right, okay, so $80,589. If it happens to give you all once more, all right, big liquidation for this W pattern, you'll trick it all the way towards downside. Okay, for long holders this can be a good TP. All right, $79,745, but for the short ones, scalpers, this will be your 80,600. Nothing financial advice, guys. Don't take it as financial advice and get bashed off again. All right, guys, nothing financial advice. All right, so I have been showing you all again and again. This is not a long setup right now. People never listens. If you have listened to that, I'm sorry. All right. Okay, so that can be your TPs. First TP, that can be 80,518. All right. Second TP, if you're holders, this one. All right. Enjoy la, guys. Enjoy. Have a good time. Let me delete this one. It looks so rubbish over here. Okay. So maximum level it can go. Your stop loss should be above this average point. Wherever it hits this average point, okay, that is your SL. All right, guys. For me, okay, because it shouldn't pass above this average line. If it passes sideways, it takes lots of time, passes above that one, then that's not good, right? If it takes gives a shorter time, all right, dumps within shorter time, that will be a good TP for you all. All right. Let me delete this one, guys, so that you guys don't get mixed up, don't feel messy. All right, guys, now no use of this one. All right. Maximum level of your It should be your SI should be above this one if you have planned. All right. Maximum level Bitcoin can pump if it keeps a hype. No sound? Do you hear it now? There is no sound yet. Okay, guys. All right. All right. Nothing financial advice, huh, guys? Okay. Hope that is audible now, guys. All right. Let me keep over here. All right. Okay. What I mean to say is, guys, your TPs. All right. Not TPs. Firstly, SL. SL should be above this average line. Anytime price will must. They might to check this retest levels. Okay. There is a one breakout on upper side that was this level. All right. So it must, if it goes on upper side, no have a sound, no have, doesn't have a sound. Hey. Dipesh, can you give me one thumbs up if you hear me? All right. I'm not checking myself. I'm lazy, guys. What I mean is, guys, all right. I am Dipesh from India. Welcome, brother. Welcome to the crypto analysis channel by Dragon Blue 30. All right. So, hope that is audible for you all. Let me check myself. All right. Listen to that. I'm sorry. Yeah, it's audible, guys. It's audible. What I'm saying is, those who have opened your position, well and good. If you have not opened, you keep your. If you have opened, your stop loss should be above this average point, most probably above this levels. All right. Okay. And those who have not opened, go back. Right. When it comes down, then you can operate your short positions. All right, guys. Nothing financial advice, guys, for the education purpose only. Don't blame me later on. All right. So this is what I mean. All right. Because it have given a breakout on upper side, this level. And here, BTC first breaks this zone, then okay. So if you have seen these levels, all right, the rate levels that I have drawn for you all, right? Let me mark with the this reddish is too reddish, right, guys. This level, okay. So from here, BTC just got a breakout, all right. So going back is the retest for the BTC, all right. Retest. This is the retest for the BTC, all right. If you have opened your position already from this level, your stop losses should be at least above this average line, all right, wherever it is average line, okay. So that later on go back again, getting out fake outs for this long side and dumps all the way. But in case if it happens to pump from that level on upper side, that will take over by the long side. Okay, longs. All right, this is what I mean. Okay, those who have opened your short position, it should be above this average point. If it is your fund is good, if you have used a minimum fund, then might be tracing your stop loss a little bit upper side will be fine. But those who have not opened, later on, it will go and hit this average point and come back. All right, that time you just wait for the position in this level and just take your shots over there. All right, take your shots over there. All right, like this. So this can be one position for you all. All right. So after checking this average point, if it gets a reversal again, then you can keep your stop loss small as well. Okay. As soon as it breaks down from this level, you can keep your stop loss small as well. No problem. All right, no problem at all. Okay. Those who have opened your shots, your if you keep your stop loss above this level, that will be nice. Okay. So and for the TPs, this will be our first TP and second TP will be this one for the holders. For the scalpers, only this one will be your first TP. All right. Let's see if it gets through for the upper side or not. All right. So this is the buyers. Okay. So people have started buying from here only. All right. I told them not to buy. All right. The 1W pattern is formed in this level. All right. Maybe that can be a big liquidations for you all. All right. Just remember. All right. So people have started buying over here. I said, no, not yet, not yet. So if it pass through, again come down, again, if it is able to push after the retest, then only a buy insight will come for you all on upper side. If it is able to pass the retest, then only your buying side will come. Okay. Otherwise, your buying side is not yet over here. People see the small breakouts, they start buying. No, that is not a good thing. All right, guys. Okay. Let's see what the market does. All right. Over here. Again, trying to create another trend over here. Or it happened. Harjit, hi. Hello. Dipesh, hi. BTC first breaks this zone and then Mughal. Okay. All right. Okay. So that is simple, right, guys? Let's see what the BTC does. All right. Those who have already operated, your stop loss should be above this average point. All right. So that while going back for the retest, it will be reversal from that point. Okay. If you have not operated, once it gets reversal, then can go for the shots. Nothing financial advice. This is what I'm sharing. If I was there, I will be doing that one. That's all. All right. Nothing financial advice, and guys. Don't take it as financial advice and later on blame me. Hey, Dragon says to buy still, and you are into loss. Okay, something like that. Yeah. Okay, might have. broke above the top one. Yeah, this is the last level for market to get bearish. Right, I told you. If it pass above this level, that will be a big pump on upper side because this is the level. This is the level for the bearish. Okay. If it pass above, it is going to be bullish, big bullish. I informed you, right? If it gets rejection from here, this is last level for the bearish. Now it gave a big pump on upper side. Right? That is 2.21 percentage pump on upper side. Well, good. Okay. Let's see for BT. All right. Let's wait for BT to get back. Will it turn bearish or the bullish? Okay. Right now, a small breakout given on upper side, doing the retest for the longs one. All right. At the same time, wait, and I shut up. Guys, now it is taking time, right? Taking time. And so your average point, oh, I told you this is the average point, right? So wherever it hits, now it is hitting this level. It's taking time and hitting this level. All right. Just be careful. Okay. At the same time, see whether the longs will get through or not. All right. So this is the breakout for the longs. All right. Done the retest. Okay. It is again in this level. All right. So one more time, maybe you can expect one more time coming down. Or if it goes direct up to this level, that will again give you back. That will be the reversal point. Okay. Let's see what it does. All right. Let's see. Nothing financial advisor. My friends also wanted to get spot. I don't know if she did. No buy now. She's too late, I think. Oh, that's just a top. If you're buying for a maybe 2%, right? If you're buying, maybe you can look for the coins which are at bottom but have broken out this resistance like you have mentioned last time. Is it a Kara or is it bot? Is it Kara or is it bot? La 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 la. Hi, Designer Hub. How are you, Designer Hub? So far, so good. Designer Hub, you doing good? Making dollars? You're making dollars? Hey, Zivor is here. Draven was here, but he's gone, I guess. Can't see him now. Draven was here, but I can't see him now. Draven Fortress. Draven Fortress, Draven Fortress. Those who have entered from the low, your position, your SL should be in upper side, above this average point. Just remember that one. Remember that one. Those who have not entered, after it gets rejection from the top, then only you can enter. La, 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 la. Huzuri dunia. Say lagi dunia. I deleted the previous one, guys. Those who have entered can have stop loss above. Otherwise, that will be a bullish. Make sure you are on a bullish breakout. You don't get heated up. Those who are waiting, wait. Those who are holding, waiting, wait. Need to wait. 15 minutes shows bullish plans with possible target being 1,000, 2,500, 82,000. 15 minutes. Candles are good for the bulls right now. Candles are good. But we got a good reversal from this level. I'm checking on this level whether this is the level from where the Bitcoin was broken down. One retest was done. All right. Big retest, liquidation retest was done. All right. But if it happens to fall below this one, then that can be a very low towards the downside. I'm just taking on that one. Maybe if it happens to go keep pushing it. All right. If the retest passed, maybe 81,484 can be possible, right? That can be one. Let's see if this breakout gets confirmed or not. All right, we are watching at this level right now. Okay, so this levels broke out above, retesting it again needs to do the retest. There will be a big, if it pumps, I'll be expecting this one, 81,000. If it dumps, I'll be expecting very low. All right. So right now I am looking for the short position. Okay. Meanwhile, all right. So in this level, okay, okay. Getting out for the bullish right now. I think the SL for the bears are gone, I guess. Where did I give? Say lagi. Say lagi. Okay. Average point. Average point. Broken down from the 10 towards the downside. 1, 2, third move, get dump. Most probably, I don't know. I'm thinking for the dump only right now. Maybe I could be wrong, guys. I'm thinking for the dump only. All right. That firstly breakout. Okay. The retest. Again, doing the retest. It happens to go. This all the SLs. The early entry for the SL is gone, I guess. Most probably. Early entry for the shorts from this level. SL was in this level. All right. Broke out from this level. This was the breakout, and this is the retest. All right, so we are waiting at this level once more. All right, it happens to come back, return it back towards the downside. So proving this fake breakout is a breakout. All right, we are expecting this one to come down towards the my SL, my TPs will be my TPs, my TPs, my TPs, TPs. Firstly, this one. If it gives a big liquidation, $79,700. That can be one. So it's still waiting. La 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 la. One more time retest is left. It should be giving us should be able to throw the price towards the downside most probably. We are assuming that we are assuming. So if the retest fails, we want it to open a short position. Okay. So this was the average point that we have, right? I guess. But if it goes on upper side, let it go. La 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 la. Do you think this is a real breakout? Again, you have one more to test for this long. If it wants to push up, nearly making a sideways at this level. Average point SL is gone, I guess, most probably. If you have planned short from this level, 0.5. If you have not planned, wait, guys, wait. Setups will come to get down a little bit downside. Let's see the last move on this level. Which side it moves. Right now it is breakout for the upper side, retest. Okay, downside also already broken down. All right, broken down. It is retesting two levels. All right, it have already broken down, give you all the downside moves. All right, broken down. So price is in middle right now. Okay, if it gives in a downside moves, let's see. One setup, downside, Long side will be till this level 81,569 if it gets through. Okay guys, if it gets through, those who are aggressively waiting for the buy side, okay, we should go up and retest this past this one, then only you can go for the longs. Right now also, if I was there, I won't be longing in this zone. All right, I'll be waiting again. I'll be waiting in this zone. Waiting, 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 waiting. La 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 la. Hmm. Wait for the shots, wait for the longs. So if in case, so after the third retest, if it happens to break out, all right, break out from this level on upper side, then you will get a good long position, guys. Good long position. Then only you can plan for the longs, guys. Okay, third level of retest. Then only then you will go for the longs or long, which will be price moving towards the first TP. This one, first, second TP towards the upper level. All right, maybe those who are looking for the longs, right? That can be this level as well, $82,200. Okay, the third level of retest. Right now is still the price is deciding which side it should move. I close my slow short now. Oh, I didn't take any trades right now. I'm just waiting for the last confirmations. All right, last confirmations. It will come down, and if it happens to pass above this block, then only it will go long. Okay, guys. Then you can plan for the longs, guys. One test, two test, third retest, then only. Otherwise, both longs and shorts are going to get squeezed if you plan early. All right, then your long position will be this one. All right, but if it happens to on the third test also, if it happens to get a rejection from this level, then that will be a big dump towards the downside. Simple, guys. Okay, simple. Okay, so in other ways, what I have told you is, guys, don't be early, don't be over here. This is the average point where I told you the price is going to get reversed, right, guys? This is the average point, all right? The average point for the reversal. I told you, right, this is the average point whereby the price will get reversed. Wait, now again it have given the retest for the upper side. Need to wait now. Have patience, guys, have patience. Those who have already opened over here in this level, you might be getting fear, but I told you you need to have stop loss above this level and this, because this is, even if you get faked out, if the longs get faked out over here, small fake out move will be given, quick, something like this, small fake out move will be given and swap you all the down towards the downside. This can be expected. All right, you need to wait for the last third moves. Hi, 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 hi. Najib, Najib Khan. Wait for the last confirmation because it should be decided from this level only. But the main thing is it have broken out on the upper side and again you will test it. If it was not, small pass above from the average point is given, which is a little bit confusing now. Buying or selling. All right. Anyways, on the retest phase as well, if you are looking for the sell side, okay, you shouldn't pass above this. Okay, as long as you're not passing from this average point, you are not bullish yet. You're not bullish yet. In case if you have passed above, for example, now going back, if you passed above this bullish point on upper side, this average point, then only you are going to get a bullish side. Okay, then only the bullish side will be activated. All right. Otherwise, it won't be activated. With a small stop loss in the zone, you can activate your bullish side from here. Otherwise, this is not a bulls right now. This is just the fake out moves that the people have imagined without the proper retest. They keep buying from the upper side, upper side. This is just doing the retest right now. Broke out, retest. Okay, again, last one retest is left. All right, let's see what it will do. Okay. Most probably I will be looking for the short side on. All right. See whether the price later on goes up above this average point and settles over there or not. Okay. If it settles, well and good. If it doesn't settles, then again it will get back and because of small side creating a sideways move in a small time frame. All right. This is the point whereby you will be deciding bulls or bears. Okay. This point. This particular point you will know whether it is going for the bulls or buyer selling. Okay. Let's see what it does. All right. A dump down with this fake out retest only. All right. So just wait lah. Just have patience. More time it takes, the higher the Bitcoin will go because Bitcoin is just concerned about this average point, right? Coming down, breaking below this one. All right, it is breaking below. Settle down. Profits, pivot, and support. Yesterday, 80,000. You can see the boom. Yashu. All right. Let's see what it does in this level. Broke out on the upper side as well. That's you're right, but planning a bull side will be above this level only. All right, guys. Otherwise, you'll get bashed off if this breakout is fake out moves. Fake out moves, you'll get bashed off. Just wait and watch. Supporting a downside move right now. Swoop up, lovely, lovely, lovely on downside yet. Yes, go down all the way towards downside. One move. Buyers got trapped. Sellers got trapped. Actually, this was the level where I planted my shots, right, guys? It happens to go average, come back, but it is creating another sideways, small sideways move in this level. Target is, I think it's good for the shorts, guys. Good for the shorts. Nothing financial advisor. It's now good for the shorts. Good for the shorts, guys. Good for the shorts. directly breaking down. Average point should be went up, got a rejection, came down, test this level. Broke out on the downside, guys. Small retests left, okay, but I think it is looking for the downside only. Okay. If you run into FOMO, what I do is usually in this point, I just go with a small font entering for the shots. All right. Later on, if it goes up and confronts you, then that will give you a good short side, right, guys? So this is the average point now. Those who have opened your positions. Whilst they are opening this position. All right. Let it go back and get rejection from these levels, right? The position is favoring a downside only, okay, guys. The setup is already given for the downside. Again, it broke down from the trend, you see. Broke down from the trend. This should be a scalping for till 80,400. Then from below, boom down. Okay. Those people who have brought in this level, they got squeezed alongside. They got faked out actually. Okay. Now this is favoring on a downside right now. So can I sell now? I don't give you all the direct instructions, but it is favoring the downside move, guys. You just understand. Okay. It is favoring. Over here, my TP is over here, and my final TP will be in the zone 79,600 for the those who are holding for the long term. All right. People who are looking for the longs from here got squeezed in this level. All right. So they got fake again. They got hope. All right, and jump all the way down. Right. Simple, guys. Simple. Just I was about to get confused over here as well. Okay. Why? Because that was getting a given a retest on upper side, but the thing was it was never able to clear on upper side. Right, guys. It was not able to clear on upper side. Those who have brought long from here, they are confused. So what I told you all, those who have sales from here, your stop loss should be above this average point. If it was passing above this average point, that would be a bullish, right? Or if it was making a sideways, it should be going up, something like this. Again, trying to clear this one. All right. And if it gets rejection, that will be a confident shot for you all again. All right. But it did only two retests right now. One, two for the buyers. Two retests. BTC will tap 82,000 plus. Again, maybe that's also possible, guys. Okay. According to whatever I say, you plan your structures, guys. Patience means patience. Wait, 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 wait. If you look back, what I've drawn for you all. This was the last move, right? Let's get back what we have drawn. This was again whereby I was about to get confused for the longs or shorts, right? Never decided. It just let's get back, right? If you were there when I was explaining this average point, let's get back. Let's get back, 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 big dump. Where was that? Where did we plan? First move. When I explained to you all the average point. Over there, I guess. Right, guys. There I was trying to explain you about the average point. How many drawings I have given you all, guys? Not able to trace right now. Previous preset. Where all that? Yeah. This is the thing, I guess, whereby I explained to you. Yeah. About the average point, those who have short position from here, I told you all to have stop losses above this average point, whereby if it happens to fall back from this level, boom, towards the downside. People who were saying buy, they were just getting trapped in the zone. They were just getting trapped in the zone, guys. Okay. They did nothing, but they got trapped in these levels. But I asked for the buyers, you always wait for the retest, right? After breakout, always wait for the retest. After, if it gets retest pass, then only they can go for the buy zone. That's the fact. Okay. Now that was a huge profit for the shots one, right, guys? 0.558% on the downside move. Now they got a trapped, right? Buyers, they buy at this one without getting retest. They got a huge trap. In the starting, there were the people who are saying, oh, that is a buy zone, buy zone, buy zone. Why I'm getting reversal when there is a bull side? There is already breakout. I said, no, right? So it's up to them. Maybe they are having analysis. I'm always expecting, I was expecting some fake out moves in this level only. So I didn't know how far that fake out moves will go. That's the thing. Okay. Sometimes it will go up to this that level, maybe. So we just wait on a downside. We just don't focus on the fake out moves on the upper side. We just focus on the downside move. Whenever it comes to our zone, then we sell it, right? Otherwise, if we focus on this one, sometimes it will go up to this level also, this level maybe upper side also. Okay. But we just wait for the price to come to our zone, then only we short it. Need to retest. No. I'm glad I didn't buy. I have 80,400, 79,800. All right. What do you think, guys? What will be? Is now price going down or like, what do you think? Comment below, guys. Pump up or down? Pump up or down? What do you think? So this was a good fake out in this level. This is the average point whereby the price cannot go up. So if the price happens to now you just focus on your this average point. All right. You forget about this average point now. Average point. This average point, forget it. All right. So now book your some profit, move your SL to entry. Your good scalping is done. All right, guys. Profit 0.62% given, guys. Final target is still more, guys. Okay, let's see what it does on upper side now. Move your SL to entry. Okay, so again you get another setup from the top. All right. Last retest left. Don't get faked out with this one again. Okay, don't get faked out with this one, guys. This moves. Again, last one is left. Maybe that can trace till this average, till this average, till this average. We don't know. All right. Now this move can be as long as Bitcoin is below this average point, it is still bearish, guys. Now if it moves above this average point, then only it will get bullish, guys. You have to think that way. All right. So this is how I think. All right, guys. So again, if the Bitcoin happens to move up and get rejection from this level, again dump. All right. But if it happens to break above this average point, okay, this average point, wherever it goes, then that will give you the bullish point, whereby you might like to go for the bullish above this average point. All right, you always focus on this average point. As long as this is below this average point, that will be still bearish, guys. Maybe above this level, wherever it hits this average point, if it is able to pass above that average point, then only it will give you the bullish side. Okay, then your bullish side will be your upper side, maybe this level, right? Then only I plan my long side. Okay, guys, this is the level. All right, might expect this one. If it happens to, again, guys, don't hurry on, guys, from here on. If it happens to get above this average point, otherwise you are still bearish in this small time frame. Okay, still bearish. You are still bearish. See whether the price is going up and breaking above this one. Otherwise, you are still bearish. So those who are holding for the long term, for this target, your SL should be above this average point. Anyways, all right. Anyways, you should be above this average point. Okay. Those who are scalping, you got it. Good points. All right. All right. So this is how you recognize your point of breakout, the point of buying and selling. Okay. For me, it will be still bearish until and unless it's not breaking out from this level. Okay. One breakout was given, second breakout is given, just at retesting this level right now. Okay. So if it happens to go up while retesting this one all the way towards the average point and gets a reversal, it still, that will be a second entry for me. All right. But not over here. Once it comes back and clears below our entry over here. All right. Still, that will be our bearish point and go all the way towards the downside. Maybe towards $79,752. All right. Okay, that's the thing. Until and unless this is not breaking above this average point of this small trend, which was broken out, retested, okay, again cleared all the way towards downside, it will be bearish on towards the downside. Okay? So if you are holding for the longs, your stop loss should be above this average point. Why? Because from there, your bearish side will be converted towards the bullish, guys. Okay, from there, your bearish side will be converted towards the bullish. Otherwise, it will be good for the downside. I'm betting my life on 78 to 77. Rebel. Coming down. Yes, down. Some says down, down. Zibot says down. It's New York. Yeah. That's going to give you a big crash, maybe. Okay, guys. Those who are saying that they have invested around 1K, 100K for the longs and going to get squeezed. Guys, if you want to invest, try to understand the market, then only invest on, guys. I'm so scared of losing money in the trading. All right, if you don't have fund management, risk management. All right, so this is the level. For the scalpers, you should be getting out, booking some profit, getting out of from here on. All right, for long holders, this is still good. For long holders, this will be a point. If you get, you will get. If you market pass above this one, then only it will get bullish. Then you might like to get a scalpers. Okay, scalpers, if you see the price breaking above this average point, you might like to go for a big scalping on the upper side, right? If it breaks, otherwise you can't plan your scalping from here. People over here, what they were doing earlier was they planned the long from here as soon as they see the breakouts. So they got squeezed now. See, they got squeezed. They are not able to identify whether that is a real breakout or not. They said, I need to learn a lot. No understand. Okay. They said, I need to learn a lot. They are the master of the market. They are market makers. We are market takers. Guys, understand the market, guys. So now it will be decided which side. Now, if you are holding for the shorts, your thing should be here, the stop loss, because this is converting, this will convert your short position towards the long. All right, from this above average. You understand the market, guys. Position everywhere you will get the positions, guys, in the market. Everywhere you are going to get the position. Just try to understand the market first, okay? Then only it will be helpful. If it break out, try to find the retest, okay? If it's retesting, if it is giving confirmation, then you plan your longs, okay? That's okay. That's okay. Let's see what it does, guys, in this level. The long position will come only from above this average point, guys. Wherever it hits the average point, then only your long position will come. All right, guys. I hope that was helpful, guys. So I always ask you all to be patient, 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 patient. Don't react early. Don't react early. All right. Patience is the thing that you need to have in the market. I I have been telling you all. Patience is the only thing that people spend almost 4 to 5 years just to learn this thing called patience, right? So just focus on that thing. All right. Until and unless you don't see the confirmations, you don't try to react. All right. Still good for the shots. All right, right now. Above this level only, your long position will come. Otherwise, this is all shots. You have a good liquidation on downside whereby this W pattern gives always a big liquidation, guys. Just be careful. This W pattern, you have a W pat double bottom pattern in this level. It always gives, if this setup is favoring it, you'll see a very good liquidation on the downside. Just be careful. All right. You see the price moving up. Okay. As long as you are below this average point, you are still good for the bearish. But passing that only, the bullish dragon, you always look good. Yeah, if you react too much in the market whenever it's moving, then you won't be able to think, right? So always try to be patient. Just if market gives, if SL hits, what to do, guys? So you need to have patience, right? After having the patience, so just be cool, like Lee. Lee. Just be cool, understand the market. That's how you trade it. For the scalpers, that was a good one. All right. For holders, make sure the market is not passing above this one. Then if it passes, then you need to close your trade, because if it passes this average point, the market is moving towards the $87,221. All right. So this is the point whereby you will get your short reverse towards the bull side. Okay. For now, as long as you're below, okay, you're still good for the shorts. And otherwise, you try to get in FOMO. All right. You see that price going down, press down, going up, press up. Again, market reverse. You try to get bashed off. All right. Just stick with the one side. Downside means downside. If once it is given, take it. Downside means downside on. Upper side means upper side on. All right. Market, if it happens to go up, this level will be tested. If the market happens to move up, which level? If it markets happens to move up from our entry, this level average point is going to be tested. Okay. Once again, if it gets reversal, that's a third point. Okay. Then if it gets reversal, all right, that will be short only below this levels. Below this levels. All right. Or if you are waiting for confident below this level, the short on downside. Just wait for that one. When market is moving up, don't react. Don't react over here. Let it go up. Sometimes it will continually go up, 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 up like this and break out from this average one. Don't focus over here. You wait calmly, okay, for the market to come down. If you are looking for the shots, big confident shots, wait below these levels. Right. Whenever the market comes below this one, just take and go for the downside. Okay. So don't focus on the upper hypes. All right. Just take it easy. If you focus over here, you will again get confused. For now, it's bearish, bearish, bearish. All right, guys, just be careful. All right. Try to understand the market rather than making your mind one-sided. Buy means buy, 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 buy. No. Sell means sell, 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 sell. No. So you are in the sell zone right now. Okay. You see the price going up and breaking up the average point and then going up. All right. Still, you're thinking of sell, sell, sell. No, that's not the thing. Okay. Wherever you see your price is getting breached, your position is getting breached, get out of that one. Take the loss, get out of that one immediately. All right. That's the thing. Even there is a point of reversal. If you see you're getting breached from your position, get out of that one, right? Immediately. Okay, guys, that's all for today. You guys just be careful. Okay, whenever you're planning your setups, please be careful. All right. I've been telling people if you see the price moving up after a retest, then only you can go for the buy position. And without confirmation, if you try to get inside the trade, then you will get bashed off on $100, $200, $500, $1,000. You keep losing it, losing it, losing. That will become your habits. Right? Just focus on this average point. Wherever it gets heat and get reversal, then again it will be shorts. All right. If it gets upper from this average point, then though that is very small profit for you all, 0.749% is very small profit for the longs. Okay. But that is a confident one, guys. That is a confident one, which means you are almost 90 to 60 to 70% sure that you are going to hit this one. All right. Okay. You are going to hit that one. You are, though your small profit scalping is small, right? But you are confirmed that you are going to get that small profit. Over here, if you plan long, what if it happens to get a reversal from here on, right? You don't have your surety, right, in your setups. Okay, that's the thing, guys. Okay, have a good time. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, all right, guys, so that you guys don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions. All right, over here we are not giving a financial advice. This is totally for the education purpose only. Never get inside the trade without any idea. Okay, just be careful, guys. Just be careful. Okay. What asset are you trading? What This is a Bitcoin, brother. This is Bitcoin. Hi, Simply World. I see you. Simply World. I have seen this name previously also somewhere else. Okay, just be careful now. All right, those who are planning for the long shots. All right, I know. Don't get breached, guys. Okay, that's all for today. Good thing you're coming back on YouTube. Yeah, Simply World. Last time I got a ban from the YouTube because like I was giving them like a buy over here, sell over here, every setup there. So I keep saying this is not for financial advice, this is an education purpose only. Okay. That time, that was a Saturday, I still remember. Okay. So all the people were selling it, selling it, selling it. And I said, okay, wait for the confirmation, wait, have patience, have patience. And that night, that was almost 2 to 3% pump that night. Okay. And I got up, my video removed from my live stream video was removed from YouTube. And I got a ban for 1 week. And I never say buy over here, sell over here. Okay. Chris, thanks, thanks. All right. What time frame? This is on 5 minutes right now. So nothing financial advice, just for the education purpose only. Just think it well, plan it well. Okay, you'll get over there. All right, guys. Have a good time. Bye bye. See you all. Those who are interested to join my group, there is a link in the description box. You can join over there, Telegram group. All right. So that sometimes you might get a good useful information for the holders as well as for the scalpers. All right. Have a good time. Okay. That's all for today. It's almost 3 to 4 hours in live stream with you all. Just those who are holding on the shots, just be careful for the average point. Those who are planning, okay, just be careful. All right, for the longs as well as shorts. All right, with understanding only, get inside the setup. Without understanding, don't trade at all. All right, guys. Have a good time. Bye bye. Signing off, Dragon.